An ugly South Indian dude with a very bad sense of humor. Not a great place, not a great occasion. So, yeah. So, I thought I'd come here, right? And I thought I'd do it fat jokes. But then it was too tight a space for me to operate in, so I decided. So I have this Pakistani friend, right? Apart from the fact that he's Pakistani, he's not a stupid guy. So yeah. So this guy told me, okay, that he has conflicts with kheer and not with normal milk. I was like, why would any sane person do that, right? So I called up this guy and I asked him, why on earth would you take conflicts with kheer? So this guy tells me, okay. So apparently the place in Peshawar he lives, so the only store nearby, right? It's an Indian store. So whenever this guy or his family goes there and asks him for doodh, they sell him kheer. So yeah, the very important thing about me.
अबे दूध मांगूंगा
Conservative city, alright. So I come from Tamil Nadu and I come from one of those cities that is best known as a temple city, alright. So I came to college, alright. So this was before I had made friends. So I thought, I come to Delhi, right? So let's go clubbing. So yeah, this was like, I've never been to a club before, okay. So I go to this place in CP, alright. So I went there all alone. This was before I had friends. So I mean, apart from the seasons that is. So yeah, I go there, okay, and I'm like all alone. And I like pay the money, and then this asshole bouncer outside doesn't let me in. The reason they don't let in unmarried couples. Yeah, you're allowed to laugh at fat jokes, yeah. So
unmarried
the thing with us right now, right? So I think the society was basically a bunch of pedophiles, alright. So what was the normal thing a pedophile would do? I mean, not a normal thing, but the general thing a pedophile would do, right? So I go and sell ice creams on a truck, on a pedophile truck. That's like my pastime, but not my pastime, a pedophile's pastime. So yeah, so I think the society you decide it's all the pedos, alright. So there was this one Asian dude, hardcore pedo, okay. He was like, I need kids to come to my place. I need to know their addresses. I also love their Facebook IDs. If only I put this all on a cell phone and set it as a game and call it Pokemon Go.
Oh!
So, I'm pretty sure all of you guys believe I'm a pedophile, but apparently I need to pass this Christian missionary exam before I become a certified pedophile. You know what is the most ironical thing here? There's supposed to be comedy on stage when all your jokes are down there. Thank you.